So hello guys, today in this video I will explain the complete specification, pricing and other new features of a brand new OnePlus Nord smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with Adreno 620 chipset. And now let's talk about its selfie camera. Then this OnePlus Nord smartphone comes with 32 megapixel main selfie camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. And now if we discuss about its battery, then it has 4420 mAh battery capacity and it comes in two variants, first with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal memory, and second with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. And it comes in different variants and colors. Now if we talk about back camera, the main camera, then it has 64MP main camera, 16 plus 16MP megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera setup. It has 6.4 inches large screen display with 1080 into 2400 pixel and 20:9 aspect ratio. And it also supports 30-watt fast charging. And it has in-screen fingerprint sensor and it has a dual SIM support. Let's talk about its extra new features. Then this smartphone is a 5G smartphone with 90Hz refresh rate. Along with this, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then give the thumbs up to this video, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon. So for now, goodbye, over and out.